In the previous video, we learned the line command in AutoCAD 2027. We saw how to draw a simple line, how to click points, how to type exact distances, and how to use ortho mode to draw a straight horizontal and vertical lines. Now, in this video, we'll understand Polyline command. At first, line and polyline may look almost same because both can create straight line segments, but they work differently. The line command creates separate line objects, and the polyline command creates connected line segment as one single object. This difference is very important, especially when we start drawing shapes, walls, boundaries, floor plans, and objects that needs to be stay connected. Hi, I'm Dipan and welcome back to Cadelyx. AutoCAD 2027 made simple. Let's understand the polyline command in a simple way. A polyline is a connected object made from line segments, arc segments, or both. Easiest way to understand it is this. A normal line is one separate object, but a polyline can contain multiple connected segments inside one object. For example, if you draw 4 sides of the rectangle using the line command, AutoCAD creates 4 separate line objects. But if we draw a same shape using the polyline command, AutoCAD can create it as one connected object. That is why polylines are very useful in AutoCAD. Let's understand the difference clearly. If you use line command and draw 3 connected lines, each line is still a separate object. So if you click one line, only that one line gets selected. But if you use polyline command and draw 3 connected segments, they become part of the single object. So when you click the polyline, the full connected shape gets selected. This is useful when you want to move, copy, offset, calculate area, or edit a full shape together. So remember this. Lines create a separate objects. Polyline create one connected object. Now let's start the polyline command. Go to the Home tab, then go to the Draw panel. There, you'll see Polyline tool. Click on the polyline. Now, look at the command line. AutoCAD is asking to specify the starting point. This is the first point of your polyline. So just like the line command, start by clicking the first point in the drawing area. You can also start a polyline command by typing in command line. Go to the command line, type PL and press enter. This starts the polyline command. So the shortcut for polyline is PL. In the real AutoCAD work, many users type PL because it's faster than clicking on the tools from the ribbon. But as always, both methods are correct. You can click polyline from the ribbon, or you can simply type PL in the command bar and press enter. So now let's draw a simple polyline. Start a polyline command. Click the first point in the drawing area. Now move your cursor to the right and click to another point. Then move your cursor upward and click to another point. Then move your cursor to the left and click to another point. You'll see the AutoCAD keeps creating connected segments. Now press enter to finish the command. Even though it looks like multiple lines, AutoCAD treats it as a one polyline object. To check this, click on the polyline. You'll see that the entire connected shape gets selected together. That is the main power of polyline. Now let's draw a polyline using the exact distances. Type PL and press enter. Click the first point. Turn on ortho mode by pressing F8 on your keyboard so lines stay straight. Now move your cursor to the right and type 10 and then press enter. Move your cursor upwards, type 5 and press enter. Move your cursor left and press 10 and press enter. Move your cursor downward and type 5 and press enter. Now you have created shape using the exact distances. To finish it, press enter. This is a very common way to create a clean and accurate shape in AutoCAD. Now let's talk about one useful option in the polyline command, close. When you are drawing a polyline and you want to connect the last point back to the first point, you can use the close option. For example, start a polyline command and draw a 3-side shape. Now look at the command line. You may see an option called close. If you type C and press enter, AutoCAD will automatically close the shape by connecting the last point back to the first point. This is very useful when drawing closed shapes like rooms, boundaries, plots, or simple objects. So instead of manually clicking the first point again and again, you can just use C and close it. Polylines are useful because they keep connected geometry together. For example, if you're drawing a room boundary, using a polyline, you can make it easier to select and edit the full boundary. If you want to offset a shape, a polyline can be the easiest way to work with. If you want to calculate an area, close polylines are very useful. If you want to move full shape together, selecting one polyline is faster than selecting the separate line segments. So in many real drawings, polylines are more practical than the simple line. One common beginner mistake is thinking that the line and polyline are exactly the same. They may look similar on the screen, but they are not the same. The difference becomes clear when we select them. If you click a normal line, only that line gets selected. But if you click on the polyline, the connected objects get selected together. Another mistake is to forget press enter or escape after finishing the command. Just like the line command, polyline will continue until you finish it. So when you are done drawing, press enter or escape. So when you use line and when you use polyline. Use the line command when you want a simple separate line segments. Use polyline command when you want to connected segments behave like an object. For beginner, practice and learn both. But whenever you are creating a connected shape, boundaries, or outline, polyline is usually the better choice. Later when we draw a floor plan and close shapes, you will see how useful polylines become. So let's quickly summarize the polyline command. The polyline command creates connected line and arc segments in one object. You can start it from the Home tab inside the Draw panel. You can also type PL and press enter. Lines create separate segments. Polyline creates one connected object. So if you can type exact distance while drawing, you can use ortho mode to keep segments straight. You can use C to close the shape. And polylines are very useful for the boundaries, shape, rooms, and objects that needs to be stay connected. Before going to the next video, do this small practice. Open a new drawing in AutoCAD. Type PL and press enter. Click your first point. Turn your ortho mode on by pressing F8. Move your cursor close to the right and type 10 and press enter. Move your cursor upwards, type 5 and press enter. Move your cursor left, type 10 and press enter. Move your cursor downwards, type 5 and press enter. Now type C and press enter to close the shape. After that, click on the shape and notice that the full shape gets selected as a one object. This will help you to understand the main difference between line and polyline. So this was the polyline command in AutoCAD 2027. As a beginner, just remember that the polyline is useful when you want connected segments to the arc like one object. Line is simple. Polyline is more connected and more powerful. In the next video, we'll understand the circle command. We'll learn how to create circle using different methods like center and radius, center and diameter, and why circles are important in AutoCAD drawings. So in the next lesson, we'll continue building our drawing skills with the circle command. I'll see you in the next lesson.